Hi folks, screencasting is something everybody knows, but how cool would it be that you cast your phone on a screen and then operate it with the same? And it seems as if you're not using your phone but you're using it all the time. So in this video, let's check out how to do that. This video is sponsored by thevectorindia.com, which is a digital branding and video editing agency. The link is in the description below. Some of the prerequisites for this SCRCPY or screen copy is Linux, so we'll be working with Linux in this video. You also need to have Python 3 installed because it's gonna run Python behind. If you want to see this for Windows, let me know in the comment section. So the first thing is you need to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi before you start doing it. And the next thing is to open terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. I'll just increase the font size for good visibility. So you can start off by writing sudo apt install snap. If you already have snap installed, then there's no reason for you to worry and you can go on to the next step. So this will go pretty fast. So the next step is to use snap. So we can write sudo snap install SCRCPY. So this is the program we'll be installing. This should also not take a lot of time. So yeah, once it's installed, the next important step for you is to allow USB debugging, which should be done on your phone. So on your mobile phone, I'm using a OnePlus 6, so you can go to the settings and then scroll down right to the bottom where you can find the about phone. So you go there and then you have a build number, so you click on it for many times until you become a developer. Then you can either go to developer options and then choose USB debugging or just search for it. And then you'll find the option where you have to select the USB debugging. So I'll just switch it on here. So once you have that installed, you can now come back to your laptop again. But this time you have to connect it with your phone with a USB cable. So once you have done that, again on your terminal, just write SCRCPY and hit enter. Oh, this should probably pop up a warning and an error telling you that you have not allowed USB debugging for your computer. So you have to just check your phone for a notification, which I'll display here. Just click OK and then hit SCRCPY again. This time you see the phone is being projected flawlessly on the screen. The latency is also not that much. I can pretty much do anything with my cursor as I do with my finger. At the end, if you found the video to be helpful, please like and share it with your friends who might be in trouble and subscribe. Thank you.